Hello, my dear friends. Hello there, my dear subscribers and my very dear plants lovers. Today I'm in my vegetable garden and I want to share with you just a little trick for an happy and successful gardening. So, do you see this little plant, little basil plant? Well, I will show you. Okay, I will show you now others like this one or like this one. Okay, now maybe you will think there are different types of basil, but except the color, they are not, and they were planted at the same time, if you can believe that. But there is a little big secret that will make a huge difference. So in order to have a magical transformation from this little one to this bushy one, you just only cut the top of the plant like this. You see? Every time your plant grows that little flowers. Okay? And I will cut this one too, like this. So this is the little big secret. And I have a reminder to you. Don't forget to plant these aromatic plants between your vegetables. They will attract, not only they will attract the bees to your garden, and they will keep away all the bad bugs from your vegetables. So this is the video for today, my dear friends, and I will see you to my next video. See you soon. Bye bye.
No, don't make me beg, I'm feeling desperate. So please don't say no. Oh, please don't say no. No. I like you, and when you playing hard to get. Ay, when we making plans, you act like you forget. Ay, when you make fun of my car, I get upset.